2.
I'm gonna show you how great I am.
5, 4,
Over here on site.
3, 2,
Welcome. If you guys haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe now. We're going to be talking about the BG56c blower by Stihl. I have one complaint. That's right, one complaint for this unit. And it's for me actually that I didn't buy it sooner. Honestly, you guys, this thing is awesome. It does exactly what I need it to do. There is a version that's a little bit smaller than this one. I can't remember what the numbers were on it. But this is more of a home line one, not a commercial use one. You could use it for commercial, honestly. It does a damn good job. But one of the cool things I like about this one compared to the lower model, it has the easy start. Also, I like this version here is because I do window cleaning, gutter cleaning, and power washing. So I need one that I'm able to get on a ladder with, something that's going to be lightweight. This is pretty light. After a while, I mean, it does get heavy. You switch hands. If you are doing the left side, if you're doing too close, it will suck up on your leg. This does have the option to go ahead and do the suction of the leaves as well, the mulcher, but I didn't buy that because I just don't need that. I bought it from a company called Unger here in the state of Michigan. I don't know where you guys would buy yours specifically, but that's where I bought mine. So this does have the one below this one doesn't have the easy start. Literally, easy start is phenomenal. I'll actually start it up for you guys here in just a moment. But if you guys are looking for it, you guys don't need that extra connector down here either. Take it home, use this. If you need the extra connector down here to blow the gutters, then buy it, but honestly, you guys won't. This would be great for driveway use. You can blow your leaves, your wet leaves. You can also blow just about anything with this sucker. It's awesome. So take a look. I'm gonna do an easy pull start. It's a cold start. May take a couple little tries to do it. So let's take a look. It's getting a little dark out here, so I'll make this quick here. You want to pump it 5 times and then pump it 3 more. That's what I see. You're going to turn it over on the cold start. I just put it through here and it's an easy start. 1, 2.